have a showroom full of both new and pre-owned Harley-Davidsons. Obviously, our new ones are right when you walk in the door, but we're going to have all the pre-owned ones set up in the back in case it rains, so you can stay dry as you're shopping for your next Harley-Davidson. Don't forget, we have so many finance promos going on. Make sure you talk to one of our sales staff to find out which option is best for you. Because you know what? Riding season is upon us, and there's nothing better than kicking it off on a Harley-Davidson motorcycle. And let's not forget about the 2025 Let's Ride Challenge, Ride for Heroes. Make sure you stop in, get your miles validated, see any of us with this orange lanyard on, and let us validate your miles, because you know what? All miles count for the 2025 Let's Ride Challenge. And don't forget, Rolling Laconia is going on. Did you know that the Laconia Motorcycle Rally is the oldest rally in the United States? Come on in, get registered. And you know what? You can win that 2025 Pan America. All you need to do is come in, get registered, get your keywords, and don't forget your voucher. And don't forget, April is Helmet Awareness Month. If you have not replaced your helmet in the last few years, it is time to do it now. Why not take advantage of 15% off of all helmets, excluding Badass? Gotta save the brain. Hey, and don't forget, we have free tire install when you purchase your tires from American Eagle Harley-Davidson. So come get some new treads today. And again, everything's always happening in American Eagle Harley-Davidson. We will see you Saturday.